arriving to this hotel, we realized that there's not a lot of parking space on the hotel grounds. If not, you would have to park outside of the hotel grounds, which is a little bit of an inconvenience for some persons. Most persons like to park on the hotel grounds, but anyways, we found a spot where we could park on the hotel grounds. After that, we had to wait in the hotel lobby for the others to check in together. We also got a welcome drink which had in alcohol, so we brought it back and got something different. I didn't get to vlog that because I was just living the moment. Hi guys. Feels like I had forgotten how to vlog. The footage could have been more, but I'm a bit out of it, guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Arthur Fly, and today I am at Royalton, Trelawney. So I'm gonna share with you my experience. We're on a teacher's trip. We didn't do much for Teachers Day, so this is what we're doing. Today is July the 9th, and it's 2 days. All right, no, 1 day, 1 full day, and 1 night. Yes. So I will talk to you guys more about it. I'm gonna show you what I'm ordering, so I will get back to you soon. I ate something already and I didn't remember that I wanted to vlog, so I forgot about that. I ate something already. It wasn't too bad. I had better, but it wasn't too bad. I ordered something different. I'm gonna order burger and fries. I'm gonna tell you all about it. I'm gonna also show you around the property, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna try and show you what I'm wearing if I can. All right, so let me just show you a quick view of what I'm looking at right now. So I'm at the bar. Alright, so I'll get back to you guys soon. Alright guys, so this drink is called Max and Ruby, alcohol free. It's the best one I've tasted so far. So yes, when you guys come, you can try it out if you're not the alcohol person.
You have to try it from Brandon if you want to taste it.
And try it from Brandon.
How are you? How much would you pay for one wrap? How much would you pay for one wrap?
Alright, so I'm tasting the wrap, guys. This is really good. This is not bad. Haven't tasted the fries. No salt. Alright, so I'm still waiting on my order. We're just sharing what we have now. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do a bit of a room tour. So I just entered the room, and over on this side you have like a closet area. So this is where the safe is. What is this? Blow dryer, the safe, the drawers are at. You can't really go around too far. So you can't really go around too far, I guess. Alright, so over on the other side, so this is where I entered. Now this is the bathroom. You have a towel. You have water. Come belly, Jesus. You have water, and this is what I'm wearing, guys. Fuck. Anyways, shower, clean, nice. Well, this could have washed a little bit more though, I'm not lying. Could have washed a little bit more. So when you enter the room, you have a little space there, you have that, you have the bed. So my roommate is one of my co-workers, as I said, is a teacher's trip. You have a little sofa, and you have the balcony area. I won't go too far, but you have the balcony area. It's not much of a view, it's just trees and stuff like that. Yeah, so you have a little table there. It's just one night, guys, and then you have this large mirror. Just one night. And then, oh, I didn't realize that there's a big mirror right there. So yes, guys, this is it. I like this mirror. I like this idea with the mirror though. I would definitely like that in my own place. So yeah, I like this idea for a room. It's cute. I like it. I'm fat though, God. I'm usually slim, guys. I'm usually slim and trim. But anyways, I'm going to get ready to anyways guys, I'm gonna get ready to leave out and go in the water. Alright, so guys, I didn't show you guys what the room came with. What is this? Coffee. What is, yeah, roasted and ground. You have some seasonings and stuff like that. You have water, and I already brought up my water from the restaurant class. Underneath here you have the fridge, and you have some storage area here. Right, you have the television, which almost look like a frame. Yeah, and that is where the entrance is. Yeah, nice. Beautiful artwork here, and then a little space there. Yes. Okay guys, so this is the outfit for the beach, and of course I can't show you guys much. That is what you're going to see. Yeah, that's it. Oh, bigger than the guys? Yeah, my thing. No, you have to edit it.
My lady right here. My lady in the black is still going to go over. Quietly.
In here we could get unlimited ice cream, and it tasted so good, guys. We also got pastries and sandwiches here. This is the night view from our room, and we were heading out for dinner. realized that I lost the footage after this. What we were doing, we were waiting on the restaurants to open. We had made reservations. Okay guys, so we made reservations for 2 restaurants, a Jamaican restaurant, I don't remember what it's called, and also Mexican restaurant. I realized that, guys, one of the first things that you should do when you go to a hotel, try to book your restaurants, because we wanted to go to the Japanese restaurant and it was booked out for 2 days straight, so we didn't get to go to the Japanese restaurant. So ensure that you book your restaurants, because you won't get to walk in, because they have a cutoff time when they will not allow persons in, or the chef would stop preparing meals.
We're not gonna be here tonight.
What I got at the Jamaican restaurant was not all that. So yeah, I don't even remember what I ordered. So right here I'm waiting on the Mexican restaurant, and I forgot to vlog what I had eaten, or my phone was full.
I'm at the Mexican restaurant, guys.
So this is the next day in the morning. I was just hanging out on the balcony, thanking God for another day and wishing this could be every day. At this point I had already showered, did my devotion, and I was just hanging out on the balcony singing some tunes, listening to some songs, and waiting for breakfast, which was at 7:30. While everyone went up to shower, I walked around the property, and right here was really cool and tranquil.
Alright guys, it's time to leave. It's time to leave, guys.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.